Hi, this is Kochuyt with Crawford Company with today's Crawford Tech Tip. Spring is a perfect time to think about servicing or replacing your HVAC equipment, especially your air conditioning. It's important to keep the coils clean on your outdoor condensing unit. If you live in an area with lots of trees, shrubs, or even farm fields, those leaves, pine needles, and flying debris can clog these coils and reduce the efficiency and effectiveness of the air conditioner. Let Crawford's top-notch service department come out, look over the equipment, clean the coil, and get it running, get it back to running at its peak efficiency and effectiveness, help reduce your energy costs, and create better comfort levels in your home. Spring is also the best time to think about replacing your older, inefficient air conditioners. The Bryant Flex program, which runs through June 30th this year, offers significant reductions in cost on new Bryant equipment. In addition, there's still utility rebates available that will also greatly reduce the cost of a new Bryant high-efficient air conditioner or variable speed heat pump, which will give you the most energy-efficient, most comfortable system in the industry today. If you're interested in servicing or replacing your equipment, please call Crawford Company today. Thank you.